Good day, everyone. If you want to increase the RAM speed of your computer, whether it's a laptop or a desktop, the only and best way is to clear the cache from your RAM. So there are many cache which stays and utilizes the RAM, and you need to clean the RAM cache from your computer, especially when you do not turn off your computer. So to do that, we will be using a tool provided by Microsoft, and it is published, and we can find it in the link which I'll mention in the description. You just need to download Rammap, and once it is downloaded, you need to open it, and then you will find Rammap, Rammap 64, Rammap 64A. So we need to open the bigger one, the size which has the bigger size, which is 331 KB. So we need to open Rammap. The top one, just do a right click, click on open, and we just need to click on run, and it will ask you to say yes, the user account control. So once it is opened, it will look like this, and I'll open the task manager so that we can see it in real time, that what exactly the changes are there. And I'll go to memory and I'll maximize it so that we can see it. So I can see the RAM cache. I have already cleared the RAM earlier, so it's not showing much. However, in your computer, it will show a big difference. So we need to go to empty, and we need to select empty standby list. Go to empty standby list. And the moment I do it, you will see the difference right there. So you can see the cache which was in GBs, now it is in MBs. So this is how you can increase the RAM speed by clearing the RAM cache from your computer. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.